Okay, then we're back about 2 hours later. And now we're back to doing this. And if you're wondering what I just did, you don't want to know. Got it? I said got it. Fuck. You know, I mostly just tell you guys stories whenever I do this. Gotta get my laptop warms up quickly. So cold out there. Go. Skilled move. Did you guys see that skill move? Watch, I'll show you again. Booyah. BB. I mean, biatch. Ian's mother. Yes, one last thing. Warning. All content said or shown in this video are purely for entertainment purposes. No need to copyright. Please. This might be like one of my only things that get views. Okay, I'll tune you back in with the part 3 in a little while. This is just really boring. Bye bye! Oh yeah, that's the wrong button.